If you have been surviving, waiting, or playing it safe, your life is passing by. Why you pretend everything is fine? True living is not comfort. It's growth, choice, and courage. It's doing what scared you and speaking your truth and facing the unknown. Every day you ignore life. You teach your children the same pattern. You show them survival is enough. Wake up, take responsibility, build yourself, step forward, and start truly living before it's too late.